Hey everybody, Jeff here with In Stock Labels, coming at you with some new products. We do have some new dispenser boxes available on our website, and as you can see, this one here holds 3 different sizes, anywhere from 1.5 inch on down. As you can see, I have a few different sizes in there, from 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch to 1 inch. And they're lightweight, easy to assemble. They fold down so you can store them easy. We do also have one that can fit 2 inch, 3 inch diameter, 2 inch label, the width. And we do also have a large one that will fit 7 different ones. And this one here has some of our food labels in it. You can put days of the week in there. You can put different numbers or different colors, different numbers, all sorts of different ones in there if you'd like. Very inexpensive. Look great.